away in a manger, the box chef was born. And he was born to rock. Ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Beat the O-T-X-S, the A-T-F, box chef. Box chef, he is a motherfucking box chef. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Word, or sentences, or paragraphs, or essays, or structured responses. Box chef. Do the rhythm.
Box Chef was filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Hello ladies and germs, welcome to the Box Chef. Today on the Box Chef we shall make for you the rice, the China, the Kernel, the Mexico, and the Germany. Mother Russia. You think I let any of them Nazis into my house? No sir. But wait, I have just been informed that nope. Burgers are not Germany, that's bratwurst. My bad, American friends. Oh well, today we still cook for you. Yes, okay. First thing we cook, the rice. None of that generic brand. You get the name brand. Okay? This is what the scissors are for. And make sure you get this. This take extreme precaution. Perfect cut. Insertion. Oh, look at that. Delicious, the rice. Now, we do the taste test. Okay. Bring it up and... delicious! It was so scrumptious. I cannot wait for another bite. No more. I cannot have any more. Okay, can you taste? That is delicious. Now, next dish. We call it China. It involves the rice, you know, just like every other China dish. Now then, with the China, you must use precision with your Kroger brand peanut butter. And voila, China. Looks like the Leaning Tower of China. Am I correct? Yes. Delish. Now we taste test this one. Do not try this at home without parents, children. Delicious. Now we have made that China. One of the favorites is the American tradition of the movie with the kernel. You know, the popcorn, the kernel. Today, I show you how we make. Dear God. Lord rest his soul. Nothing like the American butter. Oh, that's really good stuff. Tell you what, guys. Alrighty, here we go. Feast your eyes, big boys. Delicious. It all comes together for a perfect meal, am I right? Yes, do you not enjoy the kernel? Delicious. Now then, put these kernels away. Keep this out of my sight. I do not like this. What is this? Now, just make sure we have not too big of a mess, you know? That way we can preserve some of the space for the rest of the cooking process. Now then, this little thing called the Mexico. Mexico is very difficult to do, okay? You pay attention carefully. There we go. Not exactly the method you could use, but I hate tree elves that cook cookies in the forest and don't share. Now then, the moment of truth. Can it still taste good with a mountain flavor? The Himalayas. Mexico. The only place where the Himalayas are. Wait, what do you mean the Himalayas not in Mexico? You fired. What? Oh, okay. Well, looks like I've been fired. But I'm going to show you the Germany away from the America. You fat slobs. Perfect. You only get one shot at this life in America. As you Americans say, YOLO. Oh, I hate you, Americans. I hate all you. Screw you. Well, that concludes this episode of The Back Shift. See you sometime later in the future. I cannot work in these conditions. I miss my prostitute, Waddy. See you next time.